Good morning, everyone. So we are at the new house. We've been here for a few days now. I haven't filmed anything just because I've been so busy settling in and unpacking and all that boring stuff that's involved with moving house. So we've been to the beach every single day except today, just because we're super busy and doing something really exciting, which I can't wait to share with you guys. Hey everyone! So have you noticed that the quality is so much better and that I keep looking above you because the viewfinder, I can see myself and it's super weird, but I finally got a camera. So no more phone to video things with. I get to use an actual camera and I'm so damn excited about it. I can't believe it. I've been carrying it around for the last few days because I don't have an SD card till now because my dad's borrowing it and he's in Vanuatu. So I had to wait till today to buy one, and it has been such a long wait, but I'm so glad that I finally have it. So obviously it's going to take a bit of getting used to, but look at that quality. Even Edith loves it better than a phone, don't ya? Wow, I'm so excited. This is amazing. Look, it focuses on my fingers and blurs everything behind it. It's amazing. How good's this? So I was hoping it'd be a really nice day and we could go for a walk and check out this camera with, well, check out outside through the eyes of this camera rather than a phone. But it is windy and raining and absolutely disgusting. So we've just been inside folding washing and doing boring things. We've had breakfast and yeah, I'm just slowly getting things ready to pack into the car tonight so that we can go back to our house tomorrow. This little one's pretty happy. She's got 2 teeth that have come through. Stop it. Oh. Oh, Ada. So we're back home at our home, not our old home. And I'd love to say that it is looking amazing, but because we're back and forth between houses and we've been dropping stuff off and then going back and everything, there's just mess absolutely everywhere, which you can see behind me. So first I have to put all the fruit and veggies that I just brought in the fridge, unpack all the food that we'd taken up to my dad's, light the fire. I need to put cloth nappies on, and then I guess I can start unpacking a few things. Little Edie Bud is here. So yeah, like, this is going to be her play area. I'm still working on it. I'm going to do a video all about it. Hey. This is our dining area. We need some chairs, obviously. And if you can hear a hissing, it's because I had to put the heater on because it was freezing in here. This will be Edith's room one day. We ended up giving her this room. Ricky's nerd room, our bedroom, the mess. I'll end up doing a house tour, but yeah, as you can see, it's absolutely chaotic here at the moment. There is just stuff everywhere.
Oh, summer. It sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
So fire is started and I've done some dishes. Edith was really due for a nap. And so I lay down with her, but it wouldn't happen. And then she decided to fall asleep in the carrier. She looks so cute. Kind of flopping though. I promise she can breathe fine. I'm gonna transfer her onto the bed in a few minutes, but I thought I'd give it an extra couple just so that she fully stays asleep. Look who just woke up! How are you feeling after your nap? Yeah, I bet you're feeling a lot better. Oh, really? So, I have made a bit of progress. I mean, look. You can actually see a bit of the bench in the kitchen, and all those dishes are done, so they just need to be dried and put away. That bit's looking cleaner. Yay! Progress, Edith! What are you doing? God, I love this Zoom. I'm never gonna get sick of this Zoom. Morning everybody, we are just having breakfast now. This morning's been totally all over the place as Edith woke up really early but was so grumpy and tired because she hadn't slept all night. So I tried to get her back to sleep. She went to sleep for a bit, but then the dog woke her up. So it's been an all over the place morning, but it is breakfast time. Good morning, Edith. Hello. What are you having this morning? Got some strawberries, blueberries, and some koyo with hemp seeds, which I'm gonna stir through still. And this is just some Floridix. I take that, and I've been giving Edith like the tiniest amount too. And I'm having a big bowl of muesli with some strawberries and blueberries as well. You ready? What would you like first? The blueberry? And I'll stir through these hemp seeds for you. As you can see, there's not a lot of eating going on today, but a lot of playing. She's been guzzling on a boob all morning, so probably not too hungry, hey? So I usually take the dogs for a walk in the mornings, but it is quite windy today, so we're just gonna go around the block, which I haven't actually done before. I haven't explored the neighborhood, so this will be a first. Hopefully the dogs aren't pain so that I don't have to run after them screaming. That would be good. She absolutely loves this camera because it's got like a screen up the top, which is what I'm looking at now. Now I'm looking at you, screen. So she stares at that and it's so funny to watch. I'm gonna show everyone your teeth. Woohoo! Jeez, I did not clean you very good. You got yogurt all over your face. Let's look at your teeth again. Alright, let's go for a walk. You're walking Heidi. Good morning, everybody. So it's a bit sunnier today, but it is still really, really windy, which is so sucky. Could at least be still, but of course it's not, so probably no beach walk again. And that means cleaning. Edith's just down here playing with some stainless steel pegs and a light, aren't you? Marley's just playing with a toy there. Heidi's sun goddess in outside. Oh, yoga time. Downward facing dog. Oh. What are you doing? That was funny. Oh, you're okay. You're fine. This is not something I talk about very often. Mostly because there's a time and a place for it, but also because I've actually been doing really, really good. But I have birth trauma and post-traumatic stress disorder from my birth with Edith. And sometimes I have really bad days where I get flashbacks, and today is one of those days. I've gone 3 weeks without a flashback, but yesterday was my first day in 3 weeks, and today I've had them again, and it just sucks. Like, I don't want to feel like this about these sorts of things. And I have a beautiful baby and she's absolutely amazing, which makes it feel like I'm not allowed to feel like this when I do. Anyway, I think I'm gonna snuggle my baby for a little bit.